This YouTube Shorts channel started in December 2023 and now monetized with over 10 million views and 20k subscribers. This other channel too, doing the same thing, started about 4 to 5 months ago, has gathered over 40 million views with just 98 videos and now has over 200k subscribers. You see, what these channels do is very simple. They make videos about the top 3 facts, and these videos are very easy to replicate. In fact, just for you to get a clue of what the niche is all about, here's an example of one of their videos that's got over 6 million views on YouTube.
3 cities in the USA you can't ever travel to. Number 3. Mecca, California.
As you can see, these channels create simple videos about the top 3 things around the world. This can be places, cars, personalities, and other amazing facts that grab attention. And the best part is that you don't need to know all these by yourself. With just a simple prompt on ChatGPT, you could get hundreds of video ideas for such a channel. And with just basic editing skills, you can put these types of videos together using CapCut or even Canva. And if you're even lazier and you don't want to do any of the work in making the video all by yourself, if you stick around till the end of this video, I'll be showing you this new AI I just found that could help you do everything from writing the script to making the video with just one simple prompt. Plus, in the end of this video, I'll show you the exact method that this channel and this channel use to trick the YouTube algorithm to like their videos and quickly make them go viral in just a matter of weeks. So let's get started. First, you need to come up with a video idea. You can either brainstorm an idea by yourself or ask ChatGPT to do it for you. In my case, I'll be using ChatGPT, and here's the prompt I'll be using to generate hundreds of video ideas for the Shorts channel. As you can see, I asked ChatGPT to come up with 20 different topic ideas for a YouTube Shorts channel in the top 3 facts niche. Example, top 3 strongest army in the world. This exact prompt has been placed in the description below, so you can just copy and paste it on ChatGPT and then click on send message. Then ChatGPT will proceed to list 20 topics that you can create videos around. To get 100 video ideas, just repeat it 5 more times. The next step now is to look for the topic that sounds more interesting to you from the list. Once you find one, now we'll need to give ChatGPT another prompt to come up with the script for the video using the topic we just found. Here's the prompt for that. As you can see here, I asked ChatGPT to write a YouTube Shorts script for, then add the topic you picked earlier, and then I told it to make it interesting, and all the script should make nothing more than 50 seconds of video. I also told it to make the introduction brief using just the topic and then proceed to the list just like the reference script below. Then I provided the reference script. Once again, this exact prompt is in the description. You can just copy and use it. Now, once you give ChatGPT this prompt, it will come up with your full script in just a few seconds. Now, once you have your script, the next step is to get a voiceover. For this, we will be using 11 Labs. Well, as you already know, 11 Labs has lots of voices that you can use, so to avoid using the same voice as other people watching this video, I recommend you navigate to this voices section in the sidebar, then click on voice library. Here you'll find lots and lots of voices you can just play through and go with the one that you like the most. In my case, I'll be using Alex. Once you pick a voice, just go back to ChatGPT, copy your script, then head back to 11 Labs and paste it, then click on generate. Once your voice is ready, just download it and get ready for the next step. Now, one last thing, before we start to put the video together, we need images. And as you can see from the channels I showed you earlier, we are going to be using AI generated images. However, you can also use stock footage or some short videos from the internet. For example, while talking about popular personalities. But for the purpose of this video, I'll be using AI generated images. You can literally use any of your preferred AI image generators like Midjourney or Leonardo AI, but in my case, I'll be using ChatGPT once again to generate the images I'll be using. Since the topic of my video is top 3 most expensive paintings ever sold, I'll need images of the paintings. Therefore, all I need to do now is ask ChatGPT to create the image of the paintings one by one. Since we will be needing more images to make the shorts engaging, you can ask it to generate up to 5 images per fact. For example, in my case, I'll ask it to create 5 different images where the Salvator Mundi by Leonardo da Vinci is displayed. Then you literally want to do so for the rest so that you'll get all the needed images to put the video together. And once you're done generating and downloading the images, the next thing is to put the video together. Like I said earlier, you can literally use either CapCut or Canva since the editing is nothing too complicated. Now, for me, I'll be using CapCut since it probably would be the most preferred by most most people due to its simplicity. Now you want to import all the AI images as well as the voiceover you generated using 11 Labs earlier. Now first add the voiceover to your timeline to start with, and then drag the images onto your timeline one by one and sync them with the audios perfectly so that it makes sense. Now the next step is to add text. CapCut already has a feature called auto caption that helps you convert the audios to text. Just head over to the text area on CapCut and click on where it says auto caption, then click on create caption, and then in just a few seconds the text will be added to your video. Now you want to customize the text to make it look good. To do that, you can change the font here to any one that looks good to you. Then at this template area, change the template to this one just to make it look just like the videos on the channels I showed you in the beginning. Now you can add more tweaks like changing the color to make the video makes more sense. Once you're done with that, now to make the video more interesting, we need to add some animation effects, just like the example channels I showed you earlier. On CapCut, I recommend the slide animation. You can find this in the combo animation section right up here. Just play around with it and go with the animations that look good for your video. If you're happy with that, then you can proceed to export the video. Now remember, I promised earlier that there's a tool that can help you create these types of YouTube shorts in just a few minutes with just one simple prompt. The tool is unveil AI. All you just need to do is literally give it a prompt to create a video about the topic you pick from the list ChatGPT provided you. In my case, top 3 most expensive paintings ever sold. Then pick a voiceover and proceed to click on generate. And in just a minute or two, your video will be ready. Once that is done, you can proceed to export it if you're happy with the result. Now, after exporting your videos, the next step is to upload it on YouTube. Remember, I told you I'll be showing you the exact strategy these channels use to grow really fast. Here's it. But first, let's watch the video so I could tell you what is required.
Top 3 most expensive paintings ever sold. Number 3, The Card Players by Paul Cézanne. A piece of art history sold for a cool $250 million. This post-impressionist masterpiece, one of Cézanne's most iconic works, showcases the quiet intensity of card players. Its sale in 2011 set records, making it one of the priciest pieces ever. Number 2, Interchange by Willem de Kooning.
Now, if you noticed, there's something missing in the video: background music. I know some of you will say that background music doesn't really matter on YouTube Shorts. Yes, but that might be because you're using it the wrong way. You see, the solo background music on these channels' videos is one of the reasons why their videos are performing well. Not just because it sounds interesting, but mainly because it is a viral sound. You see, apart from the fact that the sound has proven to make these types of channels go viral, it also keeps the viewers engaged, which makes them stick to the video till the end, thus increasing the average view duration of the video, which helps the YouTube algorithm to push the video to a wider audience. So the best way to use this sound to unleash their full potential is by adding it directly to your videos on YouTube when you're about to upload your shorts. However, do note that this can only be done using your phone, and here's how. First, while on your channel, click on this plus icon to upload your video. Then select the shorts you want to upload and wait for it to process. Once that is done, click here where it says Add Sound. You see, to make the process easier for you, I have literally made research on some of the solo viral sounds you can use, including the one on this video that got over 6 million views. Here's how to find it. Click on this search bar and type in suspense horror, then select this very one and use it in your shorts. Then proceed to add a title and publish it. Here are some other viral sounds you can try too. Just try and switch between them on a couple of shorts and go with the one that works best for your channel. Now, the second and most important thing that helps the growth of these channels is consistency. You must make sure you upload at least one shorts on your channel every day. At first, you might not see any results, but as time goes, your videos will start getting that boost from the algorithm. You see, YouTube is a game of patience and consistency. It's not about how much you post, it's about how long you keep posting and the quality of your content. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, do not forget to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment on any questions you may have. Peace.